Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Vietnam. This is a really big box of noodles, and on the side it says spring rolls. I'm pretty sure that's what it says up here, but that's not what's in here. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Hey, cool. So this comes from Binh Foods, and let's see what it says here. We wish you happiness, health, and success. That's really nice. Thank you. Oh, and they sent a hat. It says Simply Food on it. Let me try it on. Hey, and it fits. Cool. They also sent a Simply Food shirt. Let's see if it fits. And that fits too, so I'm fully wardrobed and ready to show you the noodles these guys make. So you might be wondering what this is if you can't read Vietnamese. I know I can't, but if you look on the side, you'll see that you don't have to. They're vegetarian pho. And here's one of the Simply Food varieties. We have some mushroom flavor noodles on this one, some chicken vermicelli, and some crab vermicelli. This sounds good. I really like crab flavor noodles. Usually they're pretty good. And look at this, kiwi noodles. And it says it has real kiwi inside. I've never heard of an instant noodle that's made with kiwi. That sounds really interesting, very innovative. I'm very curious how this will be. And then we have this one, and I'm not sure of the whole deal with this. I know there's this hodl, it's a type of cryptocurrency. There's the dog. I know there was, I'm not sure. When it comes to cryptocurrency and blockchain and all that stuff, I'm totally in the dark. I don't know anything about Bitcoin or any of that, but they've made a fancy noodle. Maybe it says something on it about it. Here's one of the individual bowls. Yeah, I really don't know anything about it. I don't even know what does that mean? Stonks? I'm totally lost here. And all I know is I remember something, wasn't there one called Dogecoin that had a dog on it? I really don't know, but this is neat. I mean, this is definitely unique. I like the little smiley faces on it. Well, cool. Thank you very much to Binh for sending this over. Yeah, I'm looking forward to giving these all a try. Very interesting stuff from Vietnam. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.